couples in terms of Māoridom, and not just Ngāti Pro and whānau Apanui. Last night all the schools of Auckland came to celebrate and poro aki to her. Just fantastic. So I just wanted to mihi to this great whaia, this great teacher, Auntie Pani Sterling.
Indeed, and from a great family. Thank you for that, Willie Jackson. And the album Te Rauhītanga will be released at the end of the year. So next week on the program we look at the housing market and ask, is ownership fast becoming a fantasy?
It's a jungle, and Maori are lost in that jungle.
Thanks for joining us. Stay tuned for Wakahuia and the final of their Land War series, Poke Hina Hina, A Battle Won, A War Lost. Ngā manaakitanga o te wā ki a koutou katoa.
He mea tautoko na te manga.